Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today we're taking a trip to our cosmic backyard, to the innermost planet in our solar system, Mercury. Don't let its size fool you. This little planet is a treasure trove of cosmic wonders, full of scorching heat, icy secrets, and enough fascinating facts to make your head spin. So, how small are we talking about? Well, Mercury is only about 3,032 miles in diameter. To put that in perspective, that's smaller than Jupiter's moon Ganymede and Saturn's moon Titan. But hey, size isn't everything, right? Especially in the vastness of space. It's what's inside that counts.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Imagine celebrating your birthday every 88 days. That's how long a year lasts on Mercury. The closer a planet is to the Sun, the stronger the gravitational pull and the faster it has to travel to maintain its orbit. So, while we're stuck here with our 365-day years, Mercury is zipping around the Sun like a cosmic race car driver. Now, if you thought Earth had air quality issues, Mercury is in a league of its own. It has a very thin atmosphere, which scientists call an exosphere. It's so thin that atoms and molecules in Mercury's exosphere rarely collide, instead spending most of their time on ballistic trajectories, bouncing around or escaping into space. Ever experience extreme temperature swings? Well, on Mercury, it's a daily occurrence. During the day, the Sun bakes its surface to a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit or 430 degrees Celsius. But don't be fooled. As soon as the Sun sets, the heat radiates away into space, sending temperatures plummeting to a frigid minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 180 degrees Celsius. Talk about a planetary case of the chills. Don't let Mercury's small size fool you. This planet has a giant heart, a heart made of iron. Unlike Earth's proportionally smaller core, Mercury's iron core makes up about 85% of its radius. This massive iron core is thought to be responsible for generating Mercury's surprising magnetic field, which, while much weaker than Earth's, is still strong enough to deflect the solar wind. Mercury has played host to two main visitors from Earth: NASA's Mariner 10 in the 1970s, and the Messenger spacecraft, which orbited Mercury from 2011 to 2015. Mariner 10 gave us our first close-up images of Mercury's cratered surface, revealing its moon-like appearance. Messenger provided even more detail, mapping the entire planet, studying its composition, and even confirming the presence of water ice in permanently shadowed craters at the poles. Speaking of craters, Mercury's surface is absolutely covered in them. Like a well-worn pincushion, it's pockmarked with craters of all shapes and sizes. These craters tell a story of a planet that has been through a lot, a silent witness to the chaotic early days of our solar system. This might sound like a paradox, but yes, Mercury, the planet closest to the Sun, has ice. It's tucked away in permanently shadowed craters at its poles, where the Sun's rays never reach. These craters act like cosmic cold traps, preserving the ice for billions of years. This discovery was a major surprise to scientists, and tells us that even the most seemingly inhospitable places in our solar system can hold surprises. Unlike some of its planetary siblings, Mercury travels light. It doesn't have any moons or rings to keep it company, making it a bit of a cosmic loner. While planets like Jupiter and Saturn are surrounded by bustling systems of moons and rings, Mercury orbits the Sun solo.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually...
Mercury doesn't just travel fast, it also travels in style. Its orbit around the Sun isn't a perfect circle, but rather an ellipse. At its closest, Mercury is about 29 million miles from the Sun, but at its farthest, it's about 43 million miles away. This elliptical orbit also means that Mercury's speed changes as it travels around the Sun, accelerating when it's closer and slowing down when it's farther away. Outro, stay curious. So there you have it, folks. 10 fascinating facts about Mercury that showcase the wonders of our solar system. It's a planet of extremes, from scorching heat to icy cold, from a tiny size to a giant iron heart. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mercury, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating space facts. See you next time.